Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace engine mounts on Toyota Corolla step by step. First, park on level ground, chock the wheels, and disconnect the battery. Lift the vehicle securely with a jack and use jack stands under the subframe for safety. Support the engine with a suitable support or a jack and wood block. Remove components blocking mount access, unbolt old mounts, compare parts, install new mounts, and torque to specification. Start by supporting the engine snugly to avoid shift during removal. Remove any intake or accessory items blocking access, then loosen mount bracket bolts and the mount-to-bolt nuts. Ease the old mount free, noting its orientation and any spacers. Compare the new mount to the old one for correct fit. If bolts are seized, use penetrating oil and careful heat if needed. Clean the mounting pads and threads before proceeding to installation. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful how-to content. Quick recommendation: I wear durable, comfortable socks while wrenching. Socks darn tough keeps my feet happy during long jobs. Check the description below for the link and other deals if you want to grab a pair. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Place the new mount in position, aligning any locator tabs or dowels precisely. Hand thread all fasteners to ensure correct engagement, then snug bolts while the engine is supported. Slowly lower the engine so the mount seats naturally, then tighten mount bolts to specified torque values. Reinstall any removed accessories, reconnect the battery, and perform a visual check for clearance and alignment. Start the engine and observe for vibration or unusual movement, then test drive carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.